Hello, welcome to Python programming. So in this third part, we are going to discuss the fourth part, sorry, third unit, fourth part, lists, about the list. So list is a sequence, lists are mutable, traversing a list. So what is list is a sequence? So these are all the which consists of list or sequence, list are mutable, traversing a list, and list operations, slices, methods, and map, filter, and reduce, deleting elements, list and string, object values and values, aliasing, and list arguments. About the list. So here I am going to discuss the what is meant by list. List is a sequence. Lists are mutable, traversing a list. In this video, I am going to discuss the two lectures. One is 23 and 24 lecture. So how we can call it as a list is a sequence. List is a sequence of elements, items of any type. Creating a new list by using square brackets. So 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So here I am taking the some string values like crunchy, frog, ram, welder, lark, vomit. So spam. So all this list is nested. So whenever this we can call it as a nested list. So empty list. So all this is sequence. Next, lists are mutable. So how can we say that lists are mutable means unlike strings, lists are mutables. Index is applied same as strings. So this is a mutable list. This is a string list, which defines print cheeses of 0. That's 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 means cheddar. If you print the 1, then idem will be printed like this. So numbers of 1 is equals to 5. Print numbers. So 0 print numbers means here I am defining 0 as 0. If numbers of 0 is equals to 17, it is 0. Numbers of 1 is equals to 5, it is 1. So these are all the mutable. The in operator also works on the list. Why? Because it checks the variable name what we are given. If idem is in cheeses, then true. If brie in cheeses, it is a false. Why? Because it is not there. So that operator works on list. So next is traversing a list. So how the list will be traversed? So traversing the elements of list using for loop. If you take the cheeses, cheddar, idem, gouda, for cheese in cheeses, print the cheese value. So cheese number. If you take the numbers as 17, 123, for loop, we are using the for loop as for I in range of length of numbers. So numbers I is equals to I star 2. So whenever the two traversing two loops, two places will be jump out. So this is the traversing a list. Next, coming to the lecture 24. In this we'll discuss list operations, list slices, and list methods. So what we have discussed on up to now is nothing but sequence, mutable, traversing a list, operations, traversing a list. Now in this video we'll go for the operations, list slices, and list methods. So list operations, what is meant by list operations? So here we are taking plus and star as we have discussed in the previous videos, like first unit, string operation, same operation will be applied for the list also plus. So if you take a is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 6, c is equals to a plus b, then print c means we will define 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6. Same operator 4 times means 4 times the same value will be repeated into 4. So 3 means 3 times the same values will be repeated. That we can call it as a list operation. Second one is list slices. Slices means dividing. So this is the group of variable which consists of strings. So t of 1 is to 3. So whenever the colon will be defined as 1 not is to, whenever the colon defined with number of some tuple, this is a t means tuple, which tuple means collection of records. So b comma c, if t tuple of 4 normal colon to 4, then 4 will be first 4 will be printed, 4 colon means last 4 will be printed. So that is nothing but def, last 3 will be printed. So t of 1 is to 3 means xy. So print t tuple will be printed like this. So this is the list slices. Next one is list methods. So list methods is nothing but a comma b comma c. So append of d, print t. So method means appending means adding. So adding will be done. So t will be appended like a comma b c, and d will be added at the end. So a comma b comma c comma d. So t is equals to d c e b a, t sort, t of sort. So print t a comma b c d e. Sorting means defining as descending order. So this is the, or sorting like in the form of alphabets. So sort is also a function, built-in function. Next, extending of ascending or descending, whatever. So in the next function we will define the t2 as the next function, a comma c, a b c d e. So this will be extended as t1 plus t2. So that will be defined. So this is about lecture 24. So this is In the next class, we'll discuss the next lecture. So, if you all understood, thank you.